Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to... Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to... Yeah. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. What's going on? It's Kevin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Teleprompter app on your phone. Now, right now, I'm going pretty improv right now. I came up with this idea a little while ago, and it was a little thing I learned a while ago as I got into affiliate marketing. And in the beginning, when you're selling a product, you've probably noticed that they usually want you to read a script until you've got it down and you know what you're talking about. And that can be an expensive thing if you're using high-end equipment. But if you're shooting off of your cell phone, there's actually a handful of apps that you can use where you can generate a script, put it in there, and read it right off of your screen. And I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, we're going to go to Teleprompter, open this app, and these are some scripts that I have. This is an article I'm working on. What you do is you upload here. You can just click in the upper right corner, compose new script, import document. So I'm going to do import document to continue using light. What I'm actually going to do is edit this script. Look at that, I'm filming myself. It's a script here. Let's see. All right, so this is something I imported a little while ago. The lighting's not too good because I'm kind of just shooting from the hip. What you want to do with these is I'm going to have to do some quick editing here to adjust the screen. Because the key is you could take this text and adjust it. What you want to do is you want to put it, let's see, closest to the lens. So when I start reading it, my eyes are close to that lens, so it looks like I'm not reading it. So I click start. Americans aren't saving enough. Why is that? Coming up. Hey, what's going on? My name's Kevin J. Pineau. That's not how my name's spelled. Welcome to the channel. Here, I like to talk about money, online stuff. I'm improving a little bit, but you get the idea. You could see that as this scrolls up, I'm looking at the camera now, and then I'm looking over right now at the text. You see the benefits of that? It doesn't really, you can't, the further out you go, the less likely it is for you to see what I'm reading and to see that I'm reading off a script. Okay, I'm going to stop that now. So what are the benefits of reading from a teleprompter? Well, if you want to translate everything in detail into the captions so you have better SEO, you could be reading from the exact script that you're writing, so it's easy to import and put into the actual text. If you want to actually nail a specific keyword that you want the algorithm to pick up and you don't want to forget it, it's a good way to read off of something, having a script, because you're getting word for word and you'll never miss any words. Or if you're working on some sales content or a specific story and you don't want to mess that up, it's good to have a script. Or if you're just starting out, if you're getting into a program like affiliate marketing, that there is a script to market a product and you're just learning how to do this in the beginning, it would be good to have a script and to get used to that. I mean, most of this is improv, but once you get the hang of speaking and memorizing your lines, you really only need to have a few bullet points off at the side, or sometimes when you get really good, you can shoot off the top of your head. But I told you I'd give you a little bonus with these scripts. You can actually repurpose your scripts in your content. If you write a long article, all right, and you use it as a script, you can use the video to upload it to YouTube like I mentioned before. You can put all the text in your description or use it as a translation or caption in your text. You can also take that same video and upload it natively to Facebook, and in the actual content you can use the actual article that you've read. So now you've got two different options. You can either watch the video on Facebook or you can read all the text in the article. So now you've got your YouTube video with your caption in detail. You've got the same video on Facebook that can be marketed and tagged there for that audience. And you have all of the text written out for that article. So if someone doesn't want to watch it, they can get entranced in the actual script that you wrote. One more bonus is you can take all of that text as well and turn it into a blog post, add captions, add pictures. You can take your YouTube video and then embed it in the blog post. So now you've got your YouTube video embedded in a blog post, your blog post, and your Facebook video. All three of those working together, and then you could chop it up and put it into segments, but you're repurposing everything just by using this Teleprompter app and writing everything out in the beginning. So if you like this content, make sure you smash the like button if you're on Facebook, and smash the like button if you're on YouTube, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn how I'm learning all these crazy tricks about affiliate marketing or growing an online business, I am an affiliate with Legendary Marketer. There's a link down in the description below. If you follow it, kevinjpineau.com/success, this is where you're going to learn all of the tips and tricks and my story on how I'm actually learning marketing online and how I'm learning transferable skills that can be brought to any business, to anyone in the world, and to actually help you grow a business, generate leads, and to not be chained to your one paycheck and day job if you want to go that road.